Now that we understand the project info settings and have reminded ourselves how much joy our pets bring to our daily lives, let's continue talking about publishing formats and destinations. Our first option is publishing to the web. This option is used when you have a lesson that simply needs to be available online. You can upload the published files to a website or an internal server, and then distribute the web address to the learners who need to access the training. When you publish the course, Storyline generates a set of folders and files that allow the lesson to run in a web browser. Once publishing is complete, you will see 7 folders and files in the published directory. The file named story.html is the one that actually launches the lesson. When opened, this file loads the additional files and folders required for the course to function. As we mentioned earlier, the title field in this window is tied to the title configured in the project info and player properties windows. Likewise, the description field is tied to the description entered in the project info window. You will also need to select the folder location where the published files will be saved. By default, Storyline creates a folder inside your Documents directory called My Articulate Projects. Within that folder, Storyline creates a subfolder based on the course title. You are not required to use this default location. If you prefer to save the files somewhere else, simply select the 3 dots to the right of the folder path and browse to the location where you want the published folders and files stored. Below that, you'll see 3 publishing properties you can configure. The first is the player setting. Just like in the Review 360 publishing window, selecting this hyperlink opens the Player Properties window, where you can choose between the Modern Player and the Classic Player. The second option controls the lesson quality settings. The default setting is optimized for standard delivery. However, selecting the hyperlink will open the quality settings window, where you can adjust the video, audio, and image quality. The third option determines what portion of the lesson you want to publish. You can publish the entire project, a specific scene, or even an individual slide, depending on what you need to deliver.